Alright, for the last modification, I just duplicated the part mod 1, and then we're going to take a look. Alright, so we're going to be changing our diameter, our circle, and we're going to be adding little, like, holes here. So let's just change the circle first. It was 35. And from there, we can look if any of the other things are changed. Okay, so it's mainly just these extrusions and this, and then 43. Alright, so let's go back to the sketch. Oh, and it's also 223. So let's go back to our sketch, edit it to 223, and we're going to make this 43. And let's see what else is changing. That whole thing changes to 33. Okay, while this is 11 above. Okay, so since it said 19, that means that this and this is going to be 11. Okay, we can just okay, as you can see, we got our dimension. It seems like one of our radiuses went away. Let's just add that back. Where's it? Alright, fillet. And 5. Alright. So now we have our piece. Everything seems to be lining up with our drawing. And now we just have to add our addition. Alright. So let's add a sketch. I'm just going to do it on the front plane. That way I can just offset it and do it like that. So, yeah. Okay. Is make a construction line just going straight up. That's going to help us a lot during this process. So now we have a construction line in the middle. We can just create a midpoint line. And we know that's 57, so let's just make it 57. We're just going to first start off with our two circles as well on our so we know that the radius is 10, so that means the diameter would be 20. Same thing on this side. And then we're just going to make lines that are tangent. Okay. Alright, so we have to make sure that these are tangent or else it will become tilted. Okay, I think I solved the problem. Now we can trim again. Trim. Alright, and now we can just add back a dimension. We know that this will be 20, and we know that this, where it's a project geometry, is also going to be 20. So, yeah. Alright. Okay, and now that we have this sketch, we can extrude it. So, yeah, it is 25. So, yeah, so it will be removed. Oh, other way. And then we'll do another. Oh, that's not. We'll do another. Except on this one, we offset it by 75. Oh, no, we offset by 100. Alright, and that gives us that. And we can see from the section view that they closed off the back part, it seems. So that's an easy fix, and we can just extrude. Or before we extrude, we have to make the first sketch visible, and we're just gonna fill up that gap. But they only filled it up by 15. So here, as you can see, when they split it down the middle, it was full on this side. So yeah, and then as you can see, 20, 20, and the remaining. Okay, and if we go back to our part, looks the exact same. We have our two cutouts and the wall.